Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to watch the reasons of getting Oscar and the reasons for not getting Oscar for the movie Jallikattu, which is selected for the Oscar 2021. Do you think this movie will get the Oscar? If you think so, please tell me why do this movie will get the Oscar in the comments. And if you also think that this movie may not get the Oscar, then tell me the reason why it may not get the Oscar in the comments below so that I can understand. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So then make it late and let's get started. Roll the video. Number 1. Natural story and characters. In this movie, the director presented the natural story, which is also the current issue. Nowadays, we can see that the most of the tigers are moving away from the forest and coming into the places of humans, and they're also attacking them and killing them. So we can also see that from Warangal, the news that a tiger entered a village and killed a farmer who is working in his farm. So in the same way, it is also based on a same type of story where a buffalo was escaped from the butcher or the owner of the beef shop. In this story, the main content is there is a village named Bhairavakonda where it is situated on the mountain, and there is a beef shop and it is belongs to the Vincent, and Anthony works in that shop, and Sophia is the sister of Vincent and she was also loved by Anthony. Because of their beef, Vincent and Anthony were respected by the people of that village. But whereas when the buffalo escapes and starts the damage, makes the fire and destroys the places of the village and also the agricultural lands and the products of the agriculture, every people will get anger on Vincent and Anthony, and they will also make them as the reason for escaping of the buffalo. And then Vincent calls Kutachan, who is the enemy of Anthony and co-worker once. So they make many attempts for catching the buffalo, which some of them are failures, and at last they will catch the buffalo in a very horrible manner where director shows that the human is the real animal here. Number 2. Picturization of words. Minimum in the movies we see that there are dialogues where they tell about the story, but in this movie there are many scenes and shots where they will explain the story. Due to the shots and scenes, there it explains many philosophies. For example, the scene where Anthony and Kutachan fights like an animals and shouts like an animals, and the interval scene where the buffalo falls into the well and the humans surround the well and keeps the torchlight, and they will look like the devils who are at spree to take that animal. And the scene where the director shows the footstep of the animal and the footstep of the Anthony or someone, so that it shows the equality of animal and the human, means that they are all equal. Human became the animal. Starting of the film, nature scenes and the breathing scenes, final ending shots and more. Number 3. Character definitions. In this movie, there are characters which have their different stories and different conflicts. So take an example. Joseph has anger that Sophia is falling for Kutachan and she was not there for him. And the police officer have the rival with her wife. And there is also one different story where the man has a daughter and he was also making preparations for her daughter, where he thinks beef has a respect for her daughter marriage. So they will show that emotion and that anger and that frustration on that animal. 4. Sound effects, picturization, storytelling, and direction. Director Lijo Jose Filseri has done his work correctly, and the characters are very good handled. Yes, Harish's screenplay is wonderful. DOP Girish Gangadharan has executed the best shots and the scenes. Musician Prashant Pillai BGM was perfectly blended. Number 5. Definitive and perfect dialogues. In this movie, there are dialogues which explain some certain meaning, and there are also some of the brief explained dialogues in which they explain many philosophies and many truths and many things. Number 6. Unique story point not liked by all the sections of people. In this movie, there are unique story and different cuts and dialogues, which are not understandable by all the people. So, some section of audience may not like this movie. For example, family audience, they may not like this movie. But whereas the persons which or who want different types of stories and want to encourage different types of movies, they want to encourage this movie. So, it is the hand of the jury who has to decide this movie either gets the Oscar or not getting. So I wish this movie may get the Oscar so that it will shine the name of India in the whole lots of countries. Finally, Jallikattu may get the Oscar award. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This is your Tarun Raj Multiview signing off.